Now we've come to the final part of our basic sketching course. These videos are about faces and human figures. So first are the faces, first is the front faces, and then are the human figures of a man, women and a child.
We are going to start drawing the human face on an A3 size paper now. I have already taught you the basics on the whiteboard. So first, as you can see, 1, 2 and 3 steps are there. First step is to make an oval. First step is to make an oval. This way you make an oval. After that you divide the oval into 4 equal parts. We are dividing the center of the oval vertically and of course horizontally also. Now after dividing the oval in 4 equal parts, from the center again we will divide it into 2 equal parts like this and this. So this way a basic structure of the face is formed. Now where will the hair start from? The hair will start from the first part from where we have given it. So we are completing the hair. Now from where we have divided the oval into 2 equal parts, there the eyes will come. From the center we will leave little space both the sides and then we will start drawing the eyes. The eyes will be in almond shape. Above the eyes, the eyebrows will be there. Eyebrows are thick from where they start from the nose and will become thin going towards the ears. They are thick starting from the nose and will become thin once they go towards the ears. Now the ears will start where the eyes begin. And they end where our nose ends. So ears are starting from where the eyes begin, from the center of the eye, and ears end at where our nose ends. For nose, the second part which is divided into 2 halves, the nose will come till there. So we are making the nose. After that, leave little space and create a center line to make the lips. First we'll create the center line, then we'll give a bow shape for the upper lip and a C shape for the lower lip. So this way your basic shape of a human face is complete. Now we are giving it the neck. We are making the neck, taking the center line, the collar of the shirt, shoulders, so this way your basic shape of a human face is complete. If you want, you can rub the false lines after completing. The face. Human face is complete.